This is a three tap beer tower from the beverage factory. Actually, I used that great stuff to caulk the corners so that the air didn't escape from the sides. You can see like on the side here, the seams, the air just kept on escaping from there. I didn't really like that too much. But down inside that hole is where the 1-inch hose is for the blower, for the Dayton 12 CFM blower that I have. I'll show you that right now, actually. As I go down, let's see in here, I have 2 Sixtels. One is Dogfish Head Pumpkin. The other one is Sam Adams Oktoberfest. Quarter keg of Miller Lite. My CO2. And if you can see up inside there, you'll see I have a Dayton blower, 12 CFM blower. It's mounted to the top of my refrigerator. I'm constantly blowing cold air up inside the tower. It works great, really. I recommend it to anybody that's trying to get cold air to their tower. This is definitely the way to go. Very easy to hook up.